Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we're vlogging again, and yeah, let me just make this phone to focus, otherwise it's not gonna look proper. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is nnshapumba, aka Nay the Hustler. Why am I moving the phone? So this is another vlog, and yeah, I just wanted to come on here, guys, and I don't know what I want to say, but anyways, so I'm trying to get back to business. I'm not really trying, I'm actually doing it. I'm getting back to business, and I feel like I'm literally starting over, and it's so challenging, guys, especially now that I'm a mom. I'm trying to work, around my baby. Now it's about my schedule works around the baby, not the other way around. So right now I just came from Nedbank. I really want to change my business bank, because wow, the charges are just too much. I'm not going to say which bank I use for my business, but those that know, it is actually quite a great bank, but I just feel like the charges are too much. I just want to make money and be able to save it. I don't want to make money and at the end of the day not have enough. I just want to save. So I'm coming from Nedbank. I went to Nedbank because somebody actually said, actually not somebody, my sister, my older sister actually said that with Nedbank it's actually much better when it comes to business bank charges. I'm so sorry, this phone is moving. It's because I was walking fast. So I went to Nedbank. Apparently when you go there to open up a business bank account for a small business, I'm giving you guys free tips. You need your ID and you need your CK. CK is just your company document that has got like your details. I'll talk more about that as we go on, as we talk more about business. So you need your CK, and then you need your ID, and then you also need your 500 rand. You need 500 rand in order for you to open the business bank account. However, you don't just walk in and then you open the business bank account like with some other banks. It's easier with some other banks, but this side, you guys don't even know which side it is. So with Nedbank, you actually you go to the customer service desk, and then you give them your cell phone number, you give them your email address, you give them your name, your company's name, and then the person that's dealing with business accounts, small business accounts rather, in this matter, will call you, and then they'll set up an appointment for you. So I just did that, and yeah, I'm just gonna wait for them to call me, and then we'll see. Yeah, that's about it. And then right now I think I'm hungry. I don't know, I'm not too sure. I don't know, but I think I'm just gonna okay, right now I'm going to go to Dis-Chem because my son needs wipes. So I'm just gonna go buy wipes, and I also need a lotion. So I'm gonna go to Dis-Chem, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I'm gonna do much better today in this vlog. I'm gonna kill it. Hey guys, so I am at Food Lovers right now, grabbing a few things for the house. I actually came here for veggies, and then while in store I actually saw that they have other stuff on sale, like your bacon, your sausages, and other products. They also had sales on veggies as well. I love Food Lovers. They always have so many sales for bargains, like for a lot of stuff. And yeah, that's what I'm doing right here, just grabbing a few things. Food Lovers has got such amazing prizes. Their deals are so crazy, you won't believe it. So they had this special of any four for 25 rand, guys. Any of these four for 25. I could not believe my eyes. So it's one bag of carrots, which is a 1 kg, and then your lettuce and a cucumber. So I love lettuce, and so I took 2 lettuce instead, and then my 1 kg of carrots and the cucumber. Like, guys, this is crazy. I couldn't believe it. Coming from I'm coming from Food Lovers, so yeah. Hello guys, so I'm from what do you call it, Food Lovers. So I was buying a few veggies, and now I am finally going to Discam. I thought I was gonna go to Discam before going to Food Lovers, and then I remembered that I needed to get something, you know, some veggies nyana. So right now I'm gonna go to Discam, and then I'm gonna go to, okay, let me not say where I'm gonna go to. Maybe things are going to change, maybe plans are going to change. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. So I wanted to buy a pack of 4 wipes, and then I remember that Takealot is having a Black Friday, so I'm just gonna order from them instead. So yeah, if you know me, you should know that I love Dawn, guys. I was actually lucky to find this one. It was the last one. Even my skin routine, hey, it's nothing complicated, hey. Hey guys, so now we are going to eat. I need to eat something. I'm hungry. I think I'm going to have Burger King. I don't know, I'm just gonna try it out. I think I ate Burger King once so I'm gonna give it a try again. I actually liked it. I like their beef, and yeah, I'm gonna give it another try. I don't really know what I'm getting, because I wouldn't say I'm not a fan, it's just that I'm not familiar with Burger King, but however, I'm willing to try. So let's see what I'm going to get. Okay guys, so I've decided to go for, since it's me and my husband, we've decided to go for the 110 meal. It's a burger and chips and cold drink, so that's what we're going to have. And yeah, I'm trying to show you guys the menu, but it's gone. For like 110, so it's 2 cold drinks, and then chips, and then we have 2 burgers. I believe they're beef. And I just found out that if you are sitting in and you buy a meal, you can actually refill your cold drink. How exciting is that? As many times as you want. So yeah, I don't know, I haven't tried it yet. I'm gonna eat now. So yeah guys, I really think I did great in my vlog. Which one is my chips this one? Yo. My top my windshield. Yo guys, the chips are very nice. Nice and crispy. I actually ordered a beef burger. Maybe that guy said it's not beef. What was in Ghana?
No, it's a leg. This is the end.
So this is the burger, guys. It's a whooper. It's a whooper. Oh, guys, I'm not familiar with Burger King, like I said. So can I really? I can't talk while I'm eating. I haven't mastered that yet. That's the reason why I don't do mukbang or whatever they call it, because I haven't mastered it yet. Right now my food drink is finished and I think I'm gonna go and refill, but I'm scared. We'll try and refill it. I'll go try and refill, but I'm super scared, guys. I'm so scared. I didn't go and refill. I'm so scared because I'm enjoying their chips. Their chips are very, very nice. Even the burger, it's like the patty is 100%. Everything is nice. The burger is nice. I'm really enjoying this. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this vlog here so I can finish up my food. Sorry? So guys, I'm gonna end my vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what you thought about this vlog. Hey, I really think I tried. I really did try. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.